Hi friends, welcome to Railway Goal. Myself Anand. Today I will discuss about official notice released by Minister of Railway about the computer based test and RRC Group D. Let's go to the note notification without wasting time. Here is the Press Information Bureau, Government of India. Railway takes many steps to help apprentices. As per the Apprentice Act, what is the as per the Apprentice Act 2016, Railway reserves 20% vacancies, that is 20,734 vacancies for apprentice in 1,03,769 notified vacancies for level 1 recruitment currently under the process. Dated how much new dated 22 October 2020, it is notification dated. What are the demands of the apprentice? See, these are the demands. These 2 points are the demands of the apprentice. What they are telling, recently there have been news report that the trained apprentice at the railway establishment are demanding regular appointment. What is the meaning of the regular appointment? Means they are asking, they are demanding, apprentice are demanding job appointment without any exam, without any open competition, nothing but without any exam. They are demanding. And another demand is that apprentices are demanding this by asking for restoration of the earlier powers given to the GMs, nothing but general managers, which was discontinued in March 2017. It means before March 2017 there is a power to direct appointment without any exam. Apprentice by what? General manager. That has been discontinued, that has been stopped in where? March 2017. But they are demanding to continue that. To that railway bodies replied. What is that? This is the what response or reply to that apprentice. It may be noted that regular appointment without any open competition has been demanded by the some will be against the constitutional provisions. Nothing but whatever the demands your demands are against the constitutional provisions, like that. It has railway board has replied, and against the government of India rules about the regular recruitment. All the eligible citizens of the country are entitled to compete and apply for the regular jobs, and direct recruitment without any open competition is against the rules. The bodies replied that the open competition without any open competition, direct job means that is against the rules, like that. Board has given response. Next, further here is there the during 2018 RRBs have recruited 1,288 apprentices in level 1 post. Further, present now 20% of the vacancies, nothing but 20,734 have kept for reserved for the apprentice in 1,03,769 notified vacancies for the level 1 recruitment currently under the process. It means present they are not provide direct job without open competition. It means instead they are providing 20% of the vacancies reserved for the apprentice only. Notification dated 2019 RRC Group D. In that vacancies, how much total vacancies is 1,03,769. In that 20% means how much? 20,734 vacancies are reserved for the apprentice. This is a given reply by the board. Next, it is clearly mentioned that what it may be noted that RBs have issued the 3 centralized employment notification CN 01 2019 NTPC categories, non-technical popular categories, and CN 03 2019 isolated and ministerial categories, and RC 01 bar 2019 level 1 categories have been issued for the total about 1.4 lakh vacancies for various categories of the staff by Railway Recruitment Board. Nothing but total 1.4 lakh vacancies are released in the 2019. Okay, and for that how many people are applied? 2.40 crore people are applied. This is the 2.40 people are applied for that. And here clearly mentioned computer based test. This is the computer based test CBT which will be scheduled from 15th December. They are clearly mentioned 15th December, so there is no delay will happen in conducting exam. So do your preparation well. 15th December, from 15th December there will be what exam. So, and another thing is that what is the detailed schedule? If the detailed schedule of the CBT is uploaded on website, so regularly you check the website, you will get what detailed note